What is good, everybody? What's going on? Happy Independence Day, guys. Happy July 4th. I hope you guys are all doing well. Sorry for the late start. I had to go do some stuff with the fam, guys. I had to go goof off. I had to go mess around. Sometimes it's family time. So again, I apologize, guys. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new here, my name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We talk about everything that's happening in the traditional markets as well as the cryptocurrency markets with a specific interest of the cosmic ecosystem in mind or in the back of our head always, because we're cosmonauts through and through. IBC Gang YouTube channel. You guys get it, right? Y'all get it. Before I jump into everything, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell notification. It helps me out tremendously if you guys can do that. It really, really does. You know, this is the bear market. There's not a lot of people around. We got to stick together, fam. We got to stick together. And if you know somebody that doesn't come watch these streams, you got to kind of put the elbow into them. Go, what are you doing, man? Come watch the streams, because we try to give you guys our best, you know, insights and food for thought for you guys to digest within your trading portfolio, within your investing portfolio, that is hopefully beneficial for you guys long term, not financial advice, but we try to do our best with giving you guys information and data of what's happening in the world that correlates to your investment portfolios, right, in the traditional and the cryptocurrency market. So hopefully that's beneficial to you guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, and let's get on to it. Before we do, what's up? Oh, I need my glasses. I forgot my glasses. What's up, Blau? What's up, B? What's up, Crypto Moto? Nathaniel, what's going on? I'm going to say G. I can't even say that. What's up, Matt Miller? Is this crazy? I can't even see it. Too many crazy stuff. What's up, crazy? I know it says crazy. What's up, IBC Mafia? What's up, Al? The Icy Spade. I like it. What's up, Grits? What's going on, Grits? I know Grits is in the channel, guys. What's up, bud? Yeah, I think I didn't miss anybody, guys. I know there's probably not going to be a lot of people in today's stream because hopefully you guys are all celebrating with your guys' family. I know I was earlier. So again, it is what it is, guys. We have to stay consistent, though. That's why we're putting a quick stream up to let you guys know what we're seeing in the markets, as well as where I think the markets might be going in the short to near future. Let's go ahead and jump on into things, guys. We're starting off on the Dow Jones. You know, nothing's moved. Traditional markets, nothing's moved at all. Everything's closed. So it's the same. But if you're looking at what happened on Thursday, was it Thursday, Friday, whatever, whenever the markets did close, you can see that we were up 1%, basically 1.05 actually on the Dow Jones. So we had a little bit of a bump right here. NASDAQ also closed in the green, up 0.71% when it closed. Just a little smashy candle right there. And then if you take a look, actually, I kept this up because Blau actually put this on my radar that I need to actually keep referring to this a little bit more, at least cross-referencing the NASDAQ and the Russell 2000. But even them, they closed 1.21%. And that's, you know, that's major. So again, good moves actually from the NASDAQ and from the Russell. SPX actually had a little bit of a bump as well, guys. Everything basically closed almost a whole percent, everything except for the NASDAQ. But the SPX closed 1.5% before this weekend, before this long holiday weekend. So that's a good thing. That, you know, that looked really good, guys. That looked really good. Matter of fact, you know, I always referenced this before. You guys can see this right here. We came down here. You know, I didn't take a position here. I just had more things on my mind, guys. Trying to get this NFT going and all this other stuff. I just did not take a position. But look at this, guys. It actually, if you look on the NASDAQ right here, makes sense, right? So we came down here, 200 SMA strategy. By the way, we're on the 4-hour, not the daily. But we came down here, bounced off that, came down again. And look what we're bouncing off of, past resistance. It always kind of plays out that way. Somewhat. We don't know just yet. When the markets open up tomorrow, we'll see. We'll see if it maintains its bounce. But guys, look at past resistance and or support, and that usually does get back tested in some fashion or form in the future. So like we came up here, got rejected, came down here, bounced again, boop, came down here again after getting rejected, and look what we're bouncing off again, past resistance. So we'll see if past resistance holds up as support for the for the NASDAQ, and then we'll see what happens during tomorrow. This is actually a good thing. Like if you look on the 4-hour time frame, though, you see how these big wick, like it didn't happen exactly right, but as you're seeing right here, we had a major wick down. Well, that's not exactly major wick down right there. Next wicks closed above and still even here. So we'd like to see this actually keep carrying through, kind of like what it did right here, right? Kind of like what it did right here, and kind of what, not exactly actually what it did right there, but definitely kind of like it did right here. So I want to see it kind of carry through. I don't know if it does carry through. Again, I think we're going to get rejected around here, soft rejection, and maybe kind of just carry on because we do have a big meeting from the Feds happening later on this month. I think it's in the back end of this month, actually, instead of the middle of the month. But keep that in mind, guys. Don't front run things if you guys aren't sure. Yeah, don't front run things if you guys aren't sure. Let's move on. Actually, let me take a look at the daily. Look at the daily real quick. Doesn't look too bad. Dow Jones. Doesn't look too bad. Russell. SPX. It's not, I mean, actually not bad, guys. It's not like, again, it's kind of crazy, right? Like SP 500. Look at this, guys. Oops. If this makes any sense for you guys at all, if it helps in any kind of way. Look at how, if you guys can just master and spot previous resistance and support, like it's pretty easy. Like look how we came down, even to the wicks, we tested the bodies of these candles, right? Even to the wicks, we tested the butts of these candles, right? Like it's pretty crazy. It is pretty crazy. I just kind of want to point that out while I was like quickly looking at it. None of this was prepped, by the way. I'm just looking at it as it comes up. I didn't have any time whatsoever. What's up, Amb? What's up, Insta? Charles, what's going on? Charles, I saw you so active on Don's Don Kryptonium. I love him, by the way. So active in his chat. I've been watching his streams, and yeah. Shout outs, man. Shout outs. Let's move on. Bitcoin trading at 19,934. 19,934. How many of you guys are worried about this? How many of you guys are worried about this? Look at this. Look at this, by the way, too. Look at this. We got a green dot on the daily. We got a green buy dot on the daily, guys. We got a green buy dot, little trigger dot maybe pulling us through. Look how it happened last time. Kind of same kind of play out, right? Boom, green trigger dot. Exactly. It played out almost exactly. Look, double, good anchor, double. We got a selling dot. We got a selling red dot right here. Little sell pressure. You know, things don't necessarily repeat themselves entirely, but they do sure as heck rhyme. So look at that. Pop up, selling pressure, exhausted sells, pops back up. Look what happened last time. Goes here, sell pressure, pops down, pops back up maybe. What did it look like on the top of the charts here? What did that look like on the top of the charts? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy right here. But kind of funny how that's playing out. Look at these RSIs, guys. I don't care what anybody says. If this isn't the valley of the shadow of death right here, when we came back down into the valley, look how low all these levels are. Look how low these RSIs are. These are low, guys. We've been down here in the bottom of the pot for a long, long time. Amazingness. Amazingness. I do want to show you guys right here. Take a look at this real quickly. What's up? What's up, Benjamin? What's up, David? Don's hilarious. Don is hilarious. I like, you know why he's hilarious? Because he says it and he says what everybody wants to say. Like, I don't care what anybody says. I respect that, man. Like, you know, like he says people's concerns and he ain't afraid to say it. You know, and he's highly critical of himself. Like, I love it. I love that. I love that kind of stuff, man. But look at these levels, guys. Boom. Our first white light again, DCA, right? Short-term DCA. Boom, hit it. I didn't hit this. Again, I had to wait. I didn't take any positions really, guys, to be honest with you. It's because I was way too busy. I'm trying to get Maneki Cosmos. We got about a week left before launch, guys. We're going to be launching on the 11th. Yeah, it's on the 11th. And then we also have Passage, which you guys know we had Lex on from Strange Clan launching on the same day. So, like, that doesn't help. But, you know, we still love Strange Clan. We still love Lex. And, you know, it is what it is. It's not for everybody. But really busy trying to put Maneki Cosmos together and get it going, guys. But yeah, this is, shout outs to Blau. We got the website going, all this other stuff, guys. If you guys don't know, this is NFT project that is for the people. I can't say much more right now. I guess I can. I'll get into that later, though. But if you guys want to check that out, you guys can. It's going to be launching on the 11th. It's going to be we still have whitelist spots to give away, by the way. But we have a regular mint price of $200. Equivalent in stars on the 11th, whatever it is. And then the whitelist spot is going to be 160. I know. A lot of people are messaging me. I get it. A lot of people are messaging me. It's a lot. Look, when something's worth something, like, I don't care what other people are doing. I know what it's worth. I know what the project is worth, and I know what we're aiming to do. So, I get it. It's not for everybody though. I get it. 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 But at the same time, we price it that way, knowing it's not for everybody. And we're not looking, our focus is not to mint out. So it's nice if we do. That's not our main focus. Anyway, let's move on, guys. See how caught up I am with Maneki right now. Didn't take any positions, but we did briefly just the other day come down here. Could have hit this buy order, which I should have set. Should have set my first feeler buy. Told you guys that's what I'd be doing right here. I didn't do it because I was too busy, but boom, got it. Now we're up. We're actually up at the current moment. If you guys would have got that from yesterday to where we are right now, 4.56%. I tell you guys all the time, once you're up almost 5%, probably even before that, you should probably be taking profits, especially if you're leveraged. Like that, you should take profits. I'm a consistent profit taker. If anything, that's the one thing that I will preach here is taking profits like crazy people. But we do have, our short-term smaller buys. Also like to me, there'll be smaller buys, but I'm ready to knock it out the park if it gives me much lower than that. But these are the levels that I'm watching out for. 18,756. We got basically $18,000 to $18,153 if you want to be specific. Then we can go all the way down to 16,971 and even further between 16.2 to 16.4 for the short term. I don't think we're going to go much lower than that. I'm there. Boom. I put it all in there. I put it there. That's my. I'm digging my grave. I'm laying in it. I don't care if it buries me, it buries me. But I'm going to say it. I don't think it goes much lower than that. What's up, Matt? What's up, Chow? Chavin. I should just say Chavin. Working right now, but triple OT goes to my Maneki fund. Good stuff, Benjamin. Again, guys, for multiple reasons, I can't make any promises. I can't make any guarantees. I can't do anything. But if you guys watch this show, there's only 1,000 Manekis to be minted. Everybody has to mint a Maneki. I have to mint a Maneki. I have to buy my own product. I have to buy my own NFT, guys. I seriously do. I have to buy it. There is no freebies. There is nobody else. Everybody is on the same playing field. I can't make any promises because you guys know if you make promises, you could be labeled something. By the way, this is a lot of alpha if you guys can read between the lines. I can't make any guarantees, but it's much more than you guys know. And if you guys know me, I do everything for the people, for my people, for my brothers and sisters to the left and to the right of me. Whoo, that's a lot of alpha. I should shut up already. Yeah. There's only 1,000, man. I really do hope it would be nice to see it mint out, but if not, we're doing our thing anyway, baby. Guys, point of it all is take a look at it. We got a green trigger dot. We got things looking like they're going to play out like before. Man, this would be crazy if it pops back up. If we can pop back up and like realistically conquer this previous high right here, or here's a resistance, right? Short term right here. Boom. Tops of these candles. That's not a great straight line, but you guys get what I'm trying to say right here. Boom. Top of this candle. If we can get above these wicks, that would be even better. Let's just do this right here. Bada bing, bada boom. That's our short-term resistance that we need to get over before we can say anything's kind of changing for the trend. But if we were able to do that, we can get back above 22,000. That's our short, immediate resistance level right there. We could pop back up and see ourselves get up to 30,000 really quickly. Really, like don't doubt that, guys. If the trend actually like breaks, and we actually start coming back up, like you could call that whatever you want. This would look like a really weird W, but we really could come back up to 30,000 real fast, especially if you have a good Fed meeting, especially if CPI comes down, especially if other things line up. There's a lot of caveats to it, yes, but I'm telling you guys right now, really, really could pop up really quickly. Yeah, being a little skeptical there, but I'll put it out there. I like how people who are ordinary and use, I need glasses. I don't have my glasses, and use irony for leveling. What? Yeah, yeah, that's simple on me. What you mean, Charles? What you mean? Let's move on. Man, I would like to see this recapture. We're so close to recapturing 20 grand. Come on, Bitcoin, get back up there. Let's take a look at some other things real quickly, guys. Look at the crypto market, though. Look at the crypto market go. Look at the crypto market go right now, guys. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about our favorite child. Adam looking really good, guys. Who's happy about Adam? I know I am. I know I am. You know, we have favorites here. As a parent, you're not supposed to have favorites, but you know, we have favorites. Adam is my favorite child in the crypto space. Right next to Bitcoin. It's a good fight. It's a good fight. But I'm just telling you guys, I love me some Adam. Hopefully you guys love yourself some Adam too. I'm not counting it out. It does some weird things sometimes. Sometimes it's really slow. Sometimes it doesn't complete its homework. Sometimes I got to send it to its room in timeout. But I'm never going to give up on Adam. And hopefully you guys don't either. Hopefully you guys don't either. I have a whitelist for Aeons and Kilroy. I'm prioritizing Maneki over both of these. Ambito, you the man. You the man, my friend. Guys, by the way, I keep saying this because I got to drive the hype up. If you guys would, seriously, it really, like I'm not paying. I'm not doing what other people are doing. We're not doing what other people are doing. I'm not paying to be promoted on Twitter. I'm not paying none of this other stuff. I'm not trying to do any of that other stuff. I'm trying to do this from the ground up with the community like we do everything. I need your guys' help. I need you guys to go out on Twitter, like tell people like this is something that they might not want to miss. I can't tell you guys to do it. I can't tell anybody what to do, right? But like maybe they don't want to miss this. If you guys are bullish on it, help a brother out, help promote it as much as you guys can. I'm trying to get it in as many people that's in the space, especially the Cosmos ecosystem, as possible, because you guys know how we do things here. That's all I can say. You know, I admittingly, I have to, in order to accomplish the goals, I have to take a different approach. I cannot do it like everybody else. Hopefully you guys are reading between lines there. But yeah, guys, let's talk about Adam right now. Let's talk about Adam. Let's talk about Adam, baby. I gotta do this. Let's talk about you and me. I gotta pull this out. Oh, that's why it's not doing it. I gotta pull this out a little bit. Just gonna move my lines just a little bit. Oh gosh, I'm screwing it up. Cletus. There we go. Boom. All right, guys, here we go. Here's our lines right here. Things are looking good, guys. Things are looking good. Look how it came down. I told you guys the other day that we would come back up, retest, probably get rejected off the 618, came back down, retested the bottom of the golden pocket beautifully in the 6.5, bounced off that, coming back up now, trying to see if we can hold above the 618. That would look amazing if we did. If we can, guys, if we can hold above that, we can pop up to the 0.5, which is $10.77 really fast. Really fast, guys. I'm telling you, just like, not really just like Bitcoin, but we could pop, if we clear this section right here, we could pop right back up and retest this 0.5 really fast, guys. That's what I'm looking out for. That's what I want is. The only thing I'm kind of concerned about is we are starting to make curvature right here. RSIs, though, both of them are not giving me clear signals. They kind of look like they're fighting each other right now, but still looks good. Still looks really good, guys. I think people are just waking up. I think the crypto space in general is just waking up to the Cosmos ecosystem. You know, we look at everything that's coming over, like Sushi Swaps going over to Kava. There was another one too. Forgive me, Grits. Do you know it off the top of your head? DXYX coming on over. Like, and there was another one that was supposed to be coming on over to Kava specifically. I can't remember though. But all these protocols, everybody that's locked up in ETH, all these devs, everybody knows. Like, yeah, look, Uniswap. That's it. Guys, huge. I really do think. I think people, and I think big money too, also knows this. Love it. Love me some Adam, guys. But watch out for it because I still have these levels on my charts that's still in play right here. Yep. Wonder why that is, right? But think about it. If there's more wallets, that means more developments coming and they know it. Kujira. There you go. But look at these levels right here, guys. We could still hit 764. We could also still hit 615. We could also still hit 460. I'm also looking at the 786, which is 410. If we get these levels, I'm buying massively. Let's move on into Secret. Secret. I don't know. Yeah, like you think they would be? I don't know. I, I don't want a dog. Yeah, I refuse to think that they're that stupid though. Like I think they just want to complain about it because it's moving, and it's like I get it. Like it hurts when you see your girlfriend walk off, with another man and stuff like that. But like, you you can't you gotta look within and say, well, what caused that? What's wrong with me? Kind of thing. Not everything else. Like, look at you. Look at you. I don't know if chat gets as tickled as I do but I know Grits. I get so tickled when he comes in with those zingers. He's a bad boy, Grits. He's a bad boy. Guys, look at it right now, guys. With Secret, we came right down to the 618, 615. You guys don't know, that's the golden pocket. Right now, we're retesting the 618. That's the top side of the golden pocket. We came down here twice. 2 times a lady. 1, 2, W? I don't know. Would be great, though, right? Would be great. Right now, though, it does look like it's hitting resistance on the 618. Just watching. I'm super bullish. Anything under $1 for Secret, super bullish on. Still, though, we could still catch 87 cents. We could still catch 62 cents. We could still catch the 786, which is right about 56 cents. And then, of course, we could go much lower than that. If we do, I'm super prepared for it. But super bullish on Secret. Secret shockwave still in effect, still in the works. A lot of crazy stuff. If you guys don't know, we love everybody. Shout outs to the Hydro family. Grits as a mod there as well. But you guys, if you guys don't know Hydro Finance, like, who are you? Oh, darn it. Darn it. You guys didn't get to hear all of that greatness that he said.
It's okay. It's just between you and me.
Yeah.
It was too rated R for YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube was probably like, hey, what did he say? What did he say? Thank you, Rogo. Yes. Oh, see? July 4th threw me off.
Yeah, I actually just got a moderator position at the Cosmos ecosystem chat. But it's not paid or anything. It's just volunteer.
Still, I mean, guys, Grits, if you guys don't follow Grits, you guys need to. He's everywhere. He's everywhere. I find it, I'm humbled, and I find myself very fortunate to have Grits with us on the IBC Gang channel as well. Along with Bren. Where's Bren at? Where's Bren?
He said he's going to be out today.
Oh, what's up, Gaines? What's going on, man? But yeah, guys, looking really, really good. 618. Hopefully we can pop above it. If we do, think that we're going to find a little bit resistance right here like we did before. Look how we wicked up to it right here. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. We wicked up to it, got rejected, came back down. And then, we're right now kind of just rinsing and repeating. We can come back up to $1.04. Probably catch a lot of resistance right here at $1.04, just like we did before. But if everything else is going to play out, just like how we were seeing everything else, even with the atom and all this other stuff, if it plays out, guys, the momentum could just carry us through. And then we'll be testing the 0.5 as well. Gotta wait. Don't front run anything. Gotta wait. We still have major things to worry about in the later part of this month. The Feds, the Feds. But yeah, let's move on over to Juno. You guys can see right here. Not the best chart in the whole wide world. Interesting stuff happening from Wolf, by the way. Putting out that tweet about, I don't know if it was like a feeler tweet or whatever it was. But it was a tweet basically where he was asking everybody. Actually, let me pull it up. Here. Lobo. He said, do you wish to see voting power cap for validators to prevent top-heavy concentration and potential consensus attacks centralization? A lot of people responded to that. What do you guys feel like? What's up, Brown? What up, guys? So, obviously, right? Like, I would love to see that, but I think it should be more community before anything else, and not on a protocol level. I'll save that for a different show, though. We do have Kevin and Jacob tomorrow, so I think that would be a very interesting thing to talk about as well. You guys don't want to miss on that. But guys, I still don't have my trend line. That yes, it did get broke through. But I'm trying to see right now with price action if we can come back up here and retest the bottom section of which was once support, obviously now flipped to, what am I trying to say? I'm at a loss for words all of a sudden. Resistance. Now seeing if it holds up as resistance, and we're trying to see if we can just kind of like hover on the bottom side of it, still making that move to the upside ever so slowly with price action. A lot of crazy bullish things happening for the Juno ecosystem though. A lot of crazy bullish things, a lot of protocols, a lot of development, a lot of activity, like always within the community, within governance. So again, I'm just not sleeping. I don't care what anybody says. I'm not sleeping on Juno. Hopefully you guys aren't either. You heard good things about the space you hosted yesterday. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Oh, you talking about the osmosis space with Kevin? It was kind of like on the fly. But yeah, man, it was a very good space, I thought.
Yeah, I think Kevin's idea about getting an 80-20 contest and stuff going, but also I think my idea for funding it would also be great for compounding that idea into a reality.
Ion, Neta. Now we could like literally bring stuff to the table. You guys just done with the Ion or Neta? I hold both. I still hold both.
I missed both of the airdrops, but it would be cool to see it actually used for something.
Neta was the nicest thing, dude. Neta guys made me $30,000 like that. It was the easiest money ever. I think, honest to God, not bragging, I think Neta was like the easiest money I've ever made in crypto. And I made some pretty easy money before, but that was like really fucking easy.
My best one was my first NFT. Somebody randomly gave me. I turned it into thousands of dollars.
There
sold
it. I appreciate that, Matt. You hold a little bit of both, Charles. Nice, good stuff. Well, Grits' idea was phenomenal, and we could actually see some use case and some value appreciation of. Obviously,
I wish Kepler would actually do one of those two things. Create a featured list over the top 10 validators, so that randomly changes every day.
Yeah, they should. They
anything
should.
like that.
They
but,
should.
Kepler won't do anything.
When Neta troopers, I know, right? Guys, don't worry about it. Look, on the 11th, you guys have a lot of stuff to already worry about. I'm telling you guys going to have to make hard choices. And I get it, but you guys are going to have to make a choice between, or maybe you don't. Maybe you just buy both because you guys are crazy, and I wouldn't doubt you or wouldn't blame you at all. But you guys got Maneki Cosmos dropping on the 11th. Guys, you guys can still secure yourself a whitelist. And you have the Town 2 with Strange Clans dropping on the same day. Ours is going to be on Stars. They're going to be on their own website. Some people will be like, why are you talking about another NFT? Because I love what Lex is doing, and I love Strange Clans and all that stuff. I'm not one of those people. Look, again, my thing isn't to mint out. It's to do something that's never been done before. And if that happens, great, but I'm still going to do things. So again, if you guys know me, you know me. But yeah, you guys are gonna have to make decisions. Market calendars. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your brother. Buy one for your mama, your sister, your brother. Maybe not if you don't like them. I don't know. Osmosis. We still have results. Oh, actually, I don't think I repeat. Let me repeat this again, guys. Things are looking good right now in the crypto space, but if we falter with the Juno, guys, again, we could get tested back down to 229. 224 to 229 ish, right around here. We can come down to 215. We can come down to $2. Again, that's really easy. You can see I'm just splitting hairs between these wicks all the way down. It's real easy. Osmosis, same thing. Let me kind of just run this through you guys real quick. If we come back down again, even with what just happened with that Osmo well, which was insane, we could come down to 73 cents, 71 cents, 68, and 65. That's where I'm watching out. Good thing is when I look at this on the daily time frame, these are big old wicks, guys. Not a lot more. There's a lot of buying support here in comparison to selling support. And also green trigger dot. That means buy dot. You see, Juno doesn't have that just yet. Can you go on 12 hour? 12 hour got it. Maybe it translates. 12 hour has it right now. That's going to, in about 10 hours, that's going to confirm. And then maybe we'll print off right here a green dot as well. Yeah. That looks good, guys. That looks good right now. Adam doing the best though, up 6.81%. In your face. In your face, haters. In your face. Guys, by the way, I do want to bring this chart up again. It's a really weird chart. I've been making a lot of money with this chart. Again, this is the Bittrex chart for Akash. Let me show you guys what I've been watching here. You see this? On spot, by the way. And yes, if you guys don't think that this, let me show you guys something else as well. This is insane. I've been making a lot. I tell you guys all the time, right? I've flipped $500 to $10,000 a bunch of times on Osmosis. You guys might not believe me, but like I can show you guys the charts, and then you guys can do whatever you want with it. Let me show you guys this. Okay. It's not as much as Bittrex, but let me show you guys these charts right here. It's insane. It is like, first off, look, this is the 15-minute chart, right? On spot, you could have got this. I covered this on the last one. On spot, from the bottom, it dipped all the way from 24 cents down to basically nothing. That's a move. Oh wait, actually, let me do that in viewers. That's a move of 70,972%. You see that? Do you guys see this?
Could have been rich.
I made a lot of money. A lot of money because I even shared this on my Twitch, on my Twitch, my Twitter stream or feed not too long ago about like looking out for this. It's been weird. Super weird. Super weird. Later, Dave. Don't go to work. No, I'm just joking. You gotta go to work. Maneki would be your most expensive NFT. It'd probably be the best NFT year, but it's weird. What do I think about that Delegator wallet moving such a large amounts from Terra managed to dump all their UST per like we're gonna get into that tomorrow. I don't want to go too far into that because we're gonna have Kevin and Jacob, Kevin from Oni and then Jacob from Notional on tomorrow's stream. And so I kind of want to save all of that juicy content for tomorrow. But yeah, I definitely have my thoughts. Like, yeah, I'm telling you guys, look at this right here. On Osmosis. Yes. But like, you gotta like, yeah, you gotta like, yes, that's weird charts. But again, when you see weird charts, I have like, you see all these charts? I'm tuned in and plugged into all of these different charts. I don't trade on those stuff, but like when I see weird things like that, it's going to move other charts. This is the Osmosis chart. This is the Osmosis chart. And the proof is in the pudding here, guys. It basically went to zero for, this is the 15, an hour, a little over an hour. You had time to make this move in an hour. And again, you'd be up, give or take, 18,000. Look at this, guys. 18,700. No, I'm wrong. I'm actually wrong about that. I'm totally wrong. 187,857%. I'm sorry, I need my glasses. I told you guys. Do you guys see this number? I didn't catch this one. I caught a lot of other movements that made me a lot of money. But I'm telling you guys right now, do you see this freaking number? $1,000 would have made you stupid rich. 187,857% moved to the upside. Do not tell me that you cannot flip on spot on Osmosis. You just have to be you have to be watching. I don't know, some of you guys, oh, I want to say so much right now, Grits. Maneki Cosmos. That's all I got to say. Some of you guys just don't have time. I get it. Some of you guys have jobs. You can't be watching this stuff. Some of you guys just don't care to do the homework. I get that too. Let's be real. Some of you guys just don't care to dive into that. I don't want to. I get that. I'm not dogging anybody about that either. Meneki Cosmos. That's all I gotta say. What is that? What? I'm just curious right now. Where's my? I don't know where my other thing is. Let me bring up my phone right now. If you would have bought, $2,000 worth, right? I'm horrible at math. Times.
I'll be right back.
Yep. 857%. $2,000 in Akash. When that happened, and if you were been lucky enough to sell the top, which you could have, look at that, look how long it goes on for. You would have been up $3,757,000, 100 and that does that make you sick? That makes me sick. That's just a $2,000 buy. You made a $1,000 buy. You already know what that would have been, right? Something's weird. What's going on, Akash? Let's see here. Times 187,800. Oops. No, that's not right. I hit the wrong number. I hit the wrong number again. Times 187, 857%. You would be up, if you would have just bought $1,000 worth of Akash and sold the top right there, you'd be up 1.878 mil.
That's disgusting.
It's disgusting. Yeah, that's the. Yeah. Right? But like, look, guys, we're zoomed out. But like, look, I want you guys to see some of these price movements right here for Akash. This is the 15-minute chart. Like, actually, let's go to 1 hour. Go to 1 hour, whatever. This is on osmosis, right? It's on osmosis. Let's make this look a little easier to follow. Like, on spot, from here to here, you would have been up almost 4.22%. On spot, from the low here to the recent high, 10%. Like, these moves have been insane lately. Even just recently. Almost 5%. Almost 5%. Insane moves. I don't know. I don't know what to say about all that, though. Really have no idea what to say about all that. It's insane. Anyway, just kind of want to throw that out there for you guys. It's been crazy. I know I shouldn't be looking at Bittrex, but guys, there's a reason why I have these charts up. It's because they'll tell you. I'd sell it and buy all the BFOT. Let's move on into you know what? Actually, not that we have this up, let's actually talk about a couple of other things in here. Evmo's actually doing really well, right?
Yeah, they're having a network upgrade right now, so I don't think you can restake today.
That's all right. They're doing really good. Why is my stuff not working?
Yeah, I've almost hit my target for the coin goal or
what's
whatever.
Your target for it?
1,000 coins.
Nice.
I sold it all when I got the airdrop, and then got back in. I'm already way past what I got the airdrop.
$2, guys. $2.19 right now.
I think I sold my airdrop at like $3 or $2.60 or something like that.
Look at this. What was this? This is on the Evmos chart too. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? What happened this day, guys? On the 29th.
That's strange.
Is this on every chart?
Is that just an API issue, maybe? Is it the same? Exactly the same?
Oh. Is this just an API issue?
Yeah, if you see it on multiple charts, like check osmosis now.
Yeah,
if
it's osmosis.
Oh, it is? Okay. Yeah, if it's on every chart, it's probably an API
Yeah.
issue.
Oh my god. Okay, that makes me feel a lot better. It doesn't make me feel as sick.
Makes you feel like you missed out.
Yeah, dude. Because I saw it on Akash, then I was like, what? And I did move.
That's very surprising though. Like API issues aren't supposed to be doing that.
I just want to see. Did we already do?
That's actually why Crypto.com got rid of CoinMarketCap's API. It's because it went up, and everybody in there checked their wallets and thought they were millionaires.
Yeah, Abito just said coin. Yeah, yeah. I remember that too. I remember looking at it. Made me feel good for
Yeah. Right after that, they dropped CoinMarketCap's API. I don't know what they're doing now, but
at least
I like
this makes me feel a little bit better. I like CoinGecko a whole lot better too. This makes me feel a lot better though, because I was like, oh, I missed that. I mean, oh, could you imagine? Could you imagine though? Oh my gosh! And pretty soon we're gonna have limit orders. Pretty soon.
Just gotta wait until the next bull run, really.
Yeah. Patience is a virtue. Patience gets paid off. Really, that's what I got for today. I don't have much more to get into. I do want to tell you guys, like, there is some things. It looks good right now, especially for the crypto market, right? Like, this looks good. Man, look at AVAX too. This actually looks really, really good right now. But like, we still have a really big. Let me bring this up. What is it? Fed watch tool.
I never look at my notifications.
Oh, I got them all over the freaking place.
People are always like asking me and responding to me and stuff, and I never get them. I never look at them.
So it's on the 27th of this month, which is going to be like, that's kind of, so the end of this month, we're going to have the Fed static, anticipation of whatever they do, whatever you want to call it. Then we're also going to have the end of the month close as well. Guys, there's only, you guys have heard my thoughts about the rest of the year, correct? Like, hopefully you guys have. But I really do think like we're going to go through 2, maybe possibly 3 more months before we start seeing things actually start going back up. I really do think that's what's going to happen. We might get hit with another 50, 75 this month, and then things are going to, there's only so much pushing that they can do. I know Jeremy's saying like they're bound and determined to do it. I'm calling your bluff though. I don't think that you're going to do it entirely like you need to do it. So yeah. So I think, August, probably same thing. Like we'll get through July, August, kind of hurdy, burny kind of months. And then September, October, leading into especially October, November, I think we're going to really start seeing things turn around, guys.
Makes you wonder why they weren't doing this when they were printing all the money at the same time.
Yeah.
It's like you guys know.
They knew. I want to get into all of that stuff, and it's also Spade. I hate again that I don't mean to be avoiding, but I guess I am. I have 2 very great guests that I don't want to take away the conversation for, and so we're gonna hold off on those conversations till tomorrow. Again, it's gonna be Kevin from Oni, and then we also have Jacob from Notional joining us for tomorrow's stream. So I'm going to kind of like wait to kind of get into all of that. It's going to be a meaty stream tomorrow for you guys to sink your teeth into. So hopefully you guys can join. If not, obviously just like rewatch. I'll try to even put timestamps in that one. I know guys have been really bad. It's been a lot. We're trying to get Maneki off. That sounds really bad. We're trying to get Maneki off and running. I said something. I was like, wait, what? No. But yeah. Again, help me out too, guys. Let everybody know. Like, look, let me share this. I keep saying this over and over and over, but you guys, please share this. I promise you, I really can't emphasize this enough. I don't think it's something you guys want to miss. Oh, let me put this out there since it's right in front of our face. Here is our profile. Do us a favor, like it. You guys can win yourself a white list spot, which will give you 20% off just for checking it out and engaging. Where is it? There's one of them. I don't know if Brent took it down. But we do have one where you can just engage, and then come into the Discord, guys, and join us there as well. If you guys want one, all you have to do is find the whitelist section in our Discord, put your stars address in there. We're trying our best to keep a record of everybody who requests one. Not everybody's going to be able to get one, right? We know that, but like we're trying our best to get our loyal followers and lower community members a space in there. But I really don't think you guys want to miss this. I do also want to let you guys know, you know, if you guys don't know, I minted, because we just had Maria on our show, and we minted one of the goddesses for her recent collection for for Cosmos. And as you guys can see here, this is, what is that? Oh, I'm on the wrong wallet. Hold on one second. This is the one that we minted, and I'm going to be giving away.
Her business model is by far the best I've seen, by the way.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I love it.
Like, just do like under 50 pictures and then crank up the stars price. You know, that's what you're supposed to do.
Well, she's so talented, dude. Like, she really is talented, dude.
I was just showing her as an example to one of my artist friends who like has a problem with like encouraging himself to do things, and I'm like, look, this lady like drew these out and made like a cool 15 grand. Like, she has a cause and a following, obviously, but there's like, his art is so much better than anything anybody's doing in NFTs right now. If he did some hand drawn stuff, it would blow everything out of the water. It's just people don't want to take the time to step into the space. It's unfortunate.
This is it right here, guys. Sorry, took me forever.
There's also a bunch of people saying NFTs are dead, and obviously they're not. Like, she's doing
NFTs that are. I mean, yeah, we're gonna get into that conversation too.
The market's not like catering towards it right now, obviously, but I wouldn't say they're dead.
What is it, P2P? Like, I think I don't want to say this either. I think certain markets of NFTs are dead, or taking, you know, cooling off. But I don't think like real use case NFTs, not at all. Not at all.
NFTs are just like a data point, in my opinion. Like, literally, Uniswap liquidity pools runs on NFT tech.
Yeah.
It's literally just an API that you can put media into. That's all.
And again, you guys don't want to miss Maneki. I'm telling you right now. But anyway, everybody that mints a Maneki is going to be in the running to also win one, because one lucky winner is going to win this absolutely free. I'm going to give it away. I minted this. If you guys don't know the floor, what is the floor right now for them? The floor right now is 45K stars. It's like $900 or something like that right now. So yeah, we're giving that away to one lucky winner that mints a Cosmos NFT. That's it. Really, that's on top of multiple other things that we're doing. That's just me giving it away to everybody for being awesome. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. I don't have much more to talk about, so I'm gonna go spend the rest of the day again with my family. Adam's pumping. Look at it. It's up $8.67. Hopefully we can get up to $9. I think that'd be absolutely great. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow Maneki Cosmos, share it with your guys. Also, share it and tag us. Share it and tag Maneki Cosmos. Share it and tag CryptoTank _ on Twitter. If you guys need whitelist, that's the way to do it, guys. Let everybody else know. We'll randomly pick whitelist spots. We only have 150 whitelist spots to give away. There's not many left, but we do still have a bit to give away as well. The launch is on the 11th. 20% off for the whitelist. So it gives, it's like 160, and then the regular mint is $200. I know people that spend $200 for way more speculative stuff than that, but that's just me. I'm going to get out of here, guys. We got a big show tomorrow. Don't be late. I promise. 9:15. I'll be there exactly 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Peace. Get out of here. Enjoy. Happy